process. You can see 3 bees working on that 1 bee. They're definitely not fighting. They're definitely not being, anything. But it looks to me like they're grooming each other. And I think this is why I don't have any problems with varroa mites or anything like that. It's pretty amazing, actually. I've witnessed this. I've watched this many times, and they are grooming each other and keeping each other clean, keeping the hives clean. This is pretty cool stuff. I don't know. I don't know why. Why they do it. I'm glad they do it. I mean, I think I know why they do it, but I'm really pleased that these girls are so adamant about keeping each other clean. It seems, they understand, a lot about, I don't know, what they got to do, and so, for this minute or 50 seconds or 30 seconds, whatever it's been, there's been 3 or 4 bees, cleaning this 1 bee. And you can tell that it's, they're not fighting, they're not aggravating each other, they're not harassing each other. It's clear to me that they're doing, they're just cleaning each other, and practicing good hygiene. So these bees that I got are really good. I've had just the best time with them, and this is just something else that I'm very fortunate to be able to witness. Hope you like the video.